Hello student, today I am going to do class 7 subject geography chapter 3, that is weather and climate. In last class we have completed with the half chapter. So in this class we will continue with the chapter. So next one is weather instrument. To weather instrument, how the which type of instrument is used to forecast the weather. So let's start. To collect various climatic data and to prepare maps and charts, the following elements of weather and climate are normally observed and measured weather instrument. The first one is temperature, second one is the temperature, atmospheric pressure, third one is humidity, fourth one is rainfall, fifth one is sunshine. Let us study them in a detail. The first one is temperature. Temperature is a very important element of a climate and weather. It is term used to express the intensity or degree of heat. The sun is the main source of heat for the earth, but the sun's rays do not heat the whole surface of the earth equally. Due to earth's sphericity and inclined axis, there is unequal distribution of solar energy. The amount of heat at any place therefore depends mainly on the duration of the sunlight and the angle at which the sun rays strike the earth. Recording of temperature. Temperature can be defined as the degree of hotness or coldness of air at a particular place. The instrument used to measure temperature is thermometer, maximum and minimum thermometer, and Stephen screen. The first one, thermometer. Temperature is measured with the help of thermometer. A thermometer is a narrow glass tube filled with a liquid. The liquid used in thermometer are mercury and alcohol. In Fahrenheit, the freezing point of water is 32 degrees Celsius, while its boiling point is 201 to 12 degree. In our country, air temperature is recorded in the Celsius scale. It is also used to measure the body temperature in Celsius. The freezing point of water is 0 degree and the boiling point is 100 degree. The maximum and minimum temperature, and the third one is Stephenson screen. The B, that is second one is atmospheric pressure. Air is made up of a number of mixed gases as weight. Atmospheric pressure can be defined as the force extracted by the vertical column of air per unit of area. Meteorologists use the unit millibar to measure the pressure. Measurement of atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is measured using a barometer. Barometer was invented by Galileo and his assistant Torricelli in 1643. First one in atmospheric pressure is a simple barometer. A simple barometer consists of a long glass tube filled with mercury. It is sealed at the upper end and open at the lower end. Here is a picture of the mercury barometer. Here the open at the lower end and upper end is end with the upper end and open with the lower end. The lower end of the glass tube is inverted a ball of mercury whose surface is export the air. Air pressure pushes up the mercury in tube and the reading recorded from the scale given on the glass tube. This is a picture of a mercury barometer. Unit of pressure. As stated earlier, the pressure is measured millibar, MB. The average atmospheric pressure at normal sea level is 1013 millibars. That is a pressure 1013 millibars is equivalent to 76 centimeters of mercury column. On a map, places of equal pressure are joined by a line called isobars. Next, the second point of atmospheric pressure is aneroid barometer. Since mercury barometer is large and not portable, an aneroid barometer is used. Advantage of using Aneroid barometer R. It has no mercury column and is very easy to handle. It has a metal box which is partially aquated. The box is very sensitive to the variation in air pressure. It expands when the pressure is low and gets compressed when the pressure is high. The box is connected to the pointer which moves over a scale to indicate the atmospheric pressure. The barograph is used to monitor pressure. This is an example of a part of aneroid barometer. Is a picture of a barometer. So student, in this class I have completed with the half chapter. In next class we will continue with the chapter. So thank you.